Hi everyone, I'm trying to record the video on my laptop using the ShareX. However, the Shift plus print screen is not working to record it. Now let me do some test and try to fix it how it works. Now I have written here some steps. Let's go through step by step to fix the problem. Now see the disable the Windows snipping tool hotkey. Now go to your search icons and search here the settings. After you reach in the settings, go to accessibility and scroll down and go to your keyboard. Scroll down again, go to the keyboard device and see whether the use the print screen key to open screen capture is on or off. If it is on, you turn it off and then try to do the video recordings. If it is working, that's fine. If not, let's move to the next step. Now the next step is reassign the hotkey in ShareX. To this one, go to your ShareX, right click on the ShareX icon and go to the hotkey settings. Here you can see that the start or stop screen recording is Shift plus print screens. But however, in my HP laptop, Shift plus print screen is not starting the recording or stopping the recording. So you can change this one into the on key or just leave it as it and change it. Now third step is allow background permissions and restart. So again go to your ShareX icon and choose run as an administrator. So let's minimize this one. I have a ShareX icon here. Right click on it and choose as a administrator and say yes. And then go to the tag setting screen recorder option and ensure that the FFmpeg is correctly downloaded and configured. So go to your tag settings and go to the screen recorder and screen recording option. Go to the screen recording options and see the FFmpeg path is actually configured. If it is not, you have to configure is download the FFmpeg file extension and configure it. And to do this one, I have the another videos. You can find it and watch it. Okay, after done this one, if it is still the problem is still not solved, try in your HP lateral, try function plus shift plus print screens. My one is works with function plus shift plus print screens. I hope your one is also works with that one. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.